Look at. Yo, I like that.
Let me see your dick.
What's going on?
Yeah, I swear you're not alone. Just keep your mental strong, yeah. Just keep holding your head up. We gon' keep running this bread up. Yeah, young nigga triple blessed and I can't even lie. Yeah, been through so much I'm numb as fuck and I can't cry. I swear I've been through some hard times. Hey, I'm finally
motherfucking video. You know what I'm saying? But this time I'm coming to the motherfucking Venom in this bitch. Venom with no motherfucking eyes, man. I'm like, the nigga Spider-Man, goddamn. See what I'm saying? That's what I call Venom, the nigga Spider-Man. But we gonna get right into the video. And you know I'm with the...
Got your freaky ass on, nigga. Oh, bitch ass nigga. Oh, sorry ass nigga. Oh, stupid ass nigga. Oh, do something. Oh, gay ass nigga. Get a life, bro. This motherfucker on some other shit. Take all your shit, nigga. Take all your shit.
Why you got this suit on? Who you finna come kill?
I'm scared of him.
Hey! What we playing for? This game.
Naam. Ita to building or bitre ta baro ni na. Tara bitre kam. Manjore sawasita bisna banani bisna tuliya dewa botlai na oh dai. Oh yeah, Bangalore.
Hey, broski.
What's up, broski?
You in the shower game?
Bro, I'm brushing my motherfucking teeth.
Are you brushing your teeth, bro? Bro, do I look like Venom, bro?
With a cannon? Damn, boy. Damn, boy.
What? Yo.
Yo.
Hey, do I look like, hold up, do I look like Venom?
Yes, damn it. Do you like fucking miss? What?
Venom.
Hold on. I know what you're trying to do, and it's not giving. I know.
What the fuck?
Yo, bro.
And it be some crackhead shit on this thing.
Are you a hitman? What the? Wait, are you bricked, my nigga? Hey, brick, that a bitch.
Hello. Did I see your penis?
Gay.
Oh, fuck your butt. I'm not gonna say that. You already know. What the fuck? No. What the fuck? What the fuck? I didn't get the photo. Fuck. Wait, say this. Can you do this for me? Wait, no, it's not here. I mean, what? This shit. Big deal with it, bro. business, I'ma act the fuck up. Everything that I ain't that on the mic. Better way you get cut the fuck up. People can rock on me, acting up.
Look at. Yo, I like that. You're the Amber Alert. It's you. Oh, look at this weird. Okay, go ahead then. Okay. Yo. Okay. Get it. Fuck yeah. Yo. I can see it. Look at his dick.
Put your hands up or I'll smoke your ass right now.
Can't fix nobody. What happened?
Put your hands up or I'll smoke your ass.
But shut your bitch ass up if I call some niggas to blow your shit down on BDN, shorty. Shut your white ass up. Look, cuz. Cuz, look. Cuz, look. What that right? What the fuck? Nah. What's up, fool? Are you gonna do a dance, dog, or what? What does that mean? Do a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight. No, hell no, nigga. Bro, what are you doing? You was not ripped at all. You ain't got no muscles, nigga. Why are you flexing?
Ja, gehst du so los? Hast dich mal Socken angezogen? So, Wallah.
Hey!
Hey, get out of my head up. Is that a pickle? That's crazy. What? Oh. Wait, what? I quite don't understand it. Oh.
What's going on?
I see a frog.
I see a frog eye too.
That's not real.
Do a spin. Whip
Nope.
it out. Rip it out the plastic. I've been acting brand new. Jesus
That's not
Christ.
real. That's not real.
Fake news.
What the fuck? Oh no, this is some scary shit. This is some shit off the Scary Movie. This is some spooky shit. I might come look. What the fuck? This bitch not moving. What the? Oh, I see her moving, tilting to the side. That bitch better not. What the fuck is that? Is that a what the?
Oh my god. Here, blackface. It's like body.
Fat nose, fat chin, and everything. Wait, Stan? Oh, never mind. Turn the lights off right quick. Turn the lights off. I want to see something. Turn the light off, nigga. The fuck? He's black. He's black. He's black. He's reaching! He's reaching!
So long, I really trying to.
I was trying to make the pay touchdown. My niggas driving, that's some shit I don't do. Niggas can't keep it Jewish when you working, bitch. And not too slamming.
Boy, what you got going on?
My nigga passed away and I ain't even cried. What the fuck tomorrow?
Boy, what the frick? Hey, why you quiet, nigga? Say something.
I don't play all this shit, man. I'll pop a nigga out, man.
You? What's in your dick?
What the fuck is you doing?
Don't talk to me. That's all for the video. Like, comment, subscribe. You know, I messed up this video. Yeah, see me and shit. But like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it, baby.